What the hell? Did you just see what happened? Shut up!
What the hell was I like back then?
Let's go to the other TV.
This is where I go to my bedroom TV.
This one's...
Don't mind the flat text, by the way.
Okay, it ended. What the hell was that? Alright, guys. We just got a tornado warning at literally like 9 p.m. You gotta be serious. We just got a tornado warning literally at this exact time.
Personalized financing offer to see your real monthly payment. It only takes minutes.
Well, guys, thank you for watching the tornado warning. Make sure you like this video, subscribe with post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Just a little note about this video. This was recorded on November 15th, 2020. And I just wanted to say this happened when I was watching Charlotte's Web on Nick at Night. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Peace.